Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's make the fake terrarium, and at first we need a jar like this. It's a glass jar. As it's a fake terrarium, so we'll use the fake things here, and especially the plant and the greenery part will be fake. Okay, now here are some stones, and I'll make the base layer of the terrarium with these stones. So here goes my stones. Actually, today's video is not a planned one. It's a kind of casual video because I wanted to talk about some things in my previous video, but things came up and I couldn't do that. So I uploaded this video and want to talk about the things. Okay, now here it's a tasbih. It's a prayer related thing. I have a number of them in my collection, so I use them in my different decorative purposes because I think they are so beautiful and cute. So I'm adding some beads from this tasbih to this terrarium, you can see, to add some color and beauty maybe. So okay, I wanted to talk about that man. You all know him, Shinzo Abe, former Japanese Prime Minister. It was a very shocking thing how he departed, and we got really shocked after knowing the incident. And actually he was a very good friend of my country. In fact, he and his country, Japan, is a very good and old friend of my country. Also China is like our ancient friend. Okay, here I added some marbles, you can see and you understand, I think. Most of them were actually small, very small, and one was just a big one. Now this fake plant, you can see, I'll use it here, and this is the main plant of this terrarium actually. So okay, I was talking about Shinzo Abe, the way he left. It was a very shocking thing. We all were very much shocked, and actually we are really grateful to that man. And also Japan is cooperating us in many ways and even directly helps in many of our development projects and works, etc. So we are really grateful to that country and also that man. So okay, now here is the lid of this glass jar. So I'm trying to figure out how to keep it, but I'm kind of confused, so I'm trying in different ways. Actually I like this position, but I can't keep it like this because we have a dust problem a lot in our country, so I have to cover it with the lid actually. So okay, here's my terrarium. Do you think it looks good? I don't think it looks that good because I think it would be better if the plant was green, or I could add some green moss from the plant. I couldn't do that, so I'll do it later, I think. So that's all for today. As always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant, take care.